everyone, and welcome to today's Moment of Zen, an interlude where we use breath and gentle movement to find a place of stillness and peace in the midst of our busy lives. Today's movement is inspired by Tai Chi. Tai Chi is an ancient Asian practice that is often referred to as a moving meditation because the breath and the movement flow with each other. And as I've said, it engages the Qi, that core vitality, and it flows to you on the breath. Today's Tai Chi posture is the archer and the bow and arrow. And so let's begin first with what do the arms do. The arms come up to the side. One arm is bent, one arm is straight. Then the arms come the same way to the other side. One arm bent, one arm straight. Let's just try that. Down and up, down and up, down and up. Back and forth. Just gentle movement. Remember, this is a moving meditation. Can your knees bend as your arms come down? If it feels a little uncomfortable, you can take your knees a little further apart. Find your place of comfort. Down and up, down and up. And as it flows with the breath, it would be inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. On your breath. Now, it's not enough for the archer to just have his bow and arrow. He actually has to do something with us. So the next part of this would be to pull back the arrow, extending and opening the chest, and then to release it back. So again, pulling open, extending the arm back, and bring it back. Let's try that on the other side. Pulling back on the bow and releasing the arrow. Pulling back on the bow, extending all the way out to the side and bringing back. So you sweep the arms down, the knees bend, you come to this side, you pull back, and you release. Sweeping down and up, pull back, and release. Sweeping down, pull back, release. Once more, down, pull back, and release. We're learning to do it with the breath, but don't let that be, oh, I have to think about my arms, I have to think about my legs, I have to think about my breath. No. The whole idea of this is that it should be a moving meditation. And so if what you're doing doesn't yet look like the pose that I'm doing, that's just fine. Just remember to keep breathing, remember to keep flowing, listen to the sound of my voice, and with time and practice, you certainly will get it. All right, so beginning here, taking it up and bringing it across, bringing it back, sweep to the other side. Bring it back, release the arrow, sweeping down, the knees bend, other side, bring it back, and sweep it down and to the other side. Now, there's just one progression that I'll offer to you. When you sweep up, if it feels comfortable, you can actually put your toe up so that you're sweeping back with the arm, coming back, you come down, and then the other side. Bring it back, release the arrow, sweep down, come to the other side. Pull back on the bow, release the arrow, come down to the other side. With the breath, it is inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. But as I said, the breath will come. Just keep breathing. All right, let's try the whole thing. We'll begin to this side. Knees are soft. And raise the bow, pulling back. Release the arrow, sweep to the other side. Maybe the toe comes, you come up on your toe. Pull back on the bow, release the arrow, come down. Pull back, release the arrow, come down. Sweep to the other side. Pull back, release the arrow, come down. Keep going. Let your breath be natural. Let it just flow with the movement. A moving meditation. As you become more comfortable with it, it will be as though you don't have to think about the movements at all. Remember, pulling back on the bow, releasing the arrow, sweeping down and over, pulling back, release, down. Last time. Pull back across the body, shoot the arrow, and come down. And roll your shoulders up and back. Shake up the chi that you just awakened in this wonderful pose. Come back often to practice with us. We end each moment of Zen by wishing each other namaste. The light that lives in me honors and recognizes the light that lives in you. I wanted to point out too, I stand in front of this, I will say Chinese, although I'm not 100% sure, but this print that I have is several, let's say, Asian symbols. And what they stand for are harmony, happiness, serenity, and peace. So that's what we should wish each other today. Harmony, happiness, serenity, and peace. Have a wonderful day.